Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a very interesting recipe which is masala lamb chops. This is a quick and easy recipe which is going to be grilled in the oven. Here I have a kg of lamb chops. They are about 12 but they're quite small. And thereafter I have 4 potatoes, of which I peeled and halved. I have 1 large onion quartered, 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of ginger garlic, and some fresh thyme. Then for my spices I have a tablespoon of mixed masala, a teaspoon of garam masala, and a teaspoon of dhania, jeera powder, a teaspoon of chopped spice, and a teaspoon of paprika. Then I'm going to use a generous grind of salt and pepper. I'm also going to use a generous splash of olive oil for the marinade. So now I'm going to start by marinating my chops together with my potatoes in it. So I'm using my tablespoon of mixed masala, my garam masala, my jeera and dhania powder, my chops masala, and my teaspoon of paprika. To this I'm also going to add a teaspoon of ginger garlic, a generous grain of salt, and a generous grain of pepper, and my thyme. I'm going to use the leaves of the thyme. You can also use dry thyme. I'm using a dash of olive oil. I will give this a nice mix. It's mixed up well, and now I'm just going to cover and allow this to stand for an hour to marinate. It has been an hour and my chops are marinated. In the meantime, I preheated my oven to 165 degrees for 30 minutes. Now we're ready to put our chops into the oven. I've got an oven tray. I am going to use a splash of olive oil. And I'm just going to drop in my chops with my potatoes. Using my hands, I'll just set up the chops. So here's my tray of chops which I marinated. I quickly wash my hand. To this, I'm gonna throw in my onions and garlic. I'm using a foil. I'm going to use this foil for 60 minutes in the oven. and thereafter we remove the foil with the chopped to roast out. This is ready to be popped into the oven for 60 minutes and we'll check. After 1 hour, we took the foil off and turned our chops and put it back into the oven without the foil for another 35 minutes. And now I'm ready to take off the chops from the oven. Look at this. It has beautiful masala and done up nice and tender. Now I'm ready to serve. Here you go, your lovely masala lamb chops with some nice roasted potatoes and onions and garlic, served with and freshly made salad. This goes very well with some garlic bread, butter bread, or some soft buns. But today we are just serving it with salad. Thank you all for watching and enjoy.